Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear ninth class. How are you, dear students? Dear students, today we will discuss the complex numbers from exercise 2.5. This exercise is taken from Punjab Textbook Board, Bahawalpur. Dear student, first of all, we will discuss about the complex number. My dear students, when the set is written in the form of small z, remember this, its notation is small z, z is equals to a plus b iota. When any number is written in the form of a plus b iota, then this is called the complex number, in which a and b both are the real numbers and iota is imaginary number, and the value of iota is square root minus 1. And if we will take the square on both sides, means iota square and minus 1 square, then we get the value of iota square, which is equals to minus 1. You will keep this value in your mind because we will use this value again and again in our topic. Our question number 1 is that evaluate. Evaluate means a question is given in the form of iota raised to power 50, and we will find the numerical value of this question in a single and simplest value. Part number 2, iota 50 is equals to, first of all, my dear students, you know that the iota square, we have the numerical value of iota square, which is equals to minus 1. So we will convert this iota 50 in the form of multiples of 2. So if we will write iota square raised to power 25, that 25 2s are 50, it will becomes iota square raised to power 25, iota square is equals to minus 1. Give the reference, this is compulsory, and then you will place the value of iota square, which is minus 1 here, and then if you know that if the exponent or the power is odd, then the sign will not be changed. If it is positive value, it remains positive. If it is negative value, it remains negative. So minus iota raised to power 25. 25 is odd number, so its answer is equals to minus 1. Part number 4, minus iota whole raised to power 8. First of all, you see that this is even number. 8 is the even number. So first of all, we will write this into the positive value, because when power is even, then then the number or the answer will be in the positive form. So it will becomes minus iota 2 plus iota 8. Now we will convert iota 8 into the form of the multiples of 2. You know that 2 for the 8. So we will write iota square raised to power 4. And you have the value of iota square, which is equals to minus 1. So we will put the value of iota square minus 1 raised to power 4. Since again power is even, so answer will be in the positive form. Then the answer of this question is 1. Now, my dear student, we have the part number 6, which is iota 27. First of all, we will break this value in the form of multiples of 2. You know that if the iota 26 into iota, 26 plus 1 is equals to 27. So this is iota 6 into iota, and we will change the iota 26 in the form of the multiples of 2. It will becomes iota square into 13 raised to power 13, and 2 13s are 13, 2s is 26. Iota square is equals to minus 1 raised to power 13, and we will write the iota as it is. And then you know that power is odd, so it will be minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by iota means minus iota. This is the answer of this question. Question number 2 of this exercise is write the conjugates of these values. Dear student, this question is written in the form of the complex number 3 minus 5 iota. Conjugate means then we will change the sign of the imaginary part. Imaginary value. This is real part, this is imaginary part. So we will change the part sign of the imaginary part. Means if iota is written in the form of negative, then we will turn it into positive. Question is 3 minus 5 iota, so we will write 3 plus 5 iota. This is the conjugate of this complex number. Now part 5, minus 4 minus iota. As I told you that we will change the sign of the complex sign of the imaginary part. So this will becomes minus 4 plus iota. This is the conjugate of this part. Now part number 6, iota minus 3. The imaginary part is iota and the real part is 3. So we will change the sign of iota and it will becomes minus iota minus 3. This is the conjugate of this complex number. Now question number 3, write the real and the imaginary part of. Part number 3 is given minus 1 plus 2 iota. Dear students, as I told you that in this question, that in the form of the complex number, a is the real number and this is the imaginary part. A is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Means where iota is involved, then this will becomes into imaginary part. Like this, in this question, minus 1 plus 2 iota. Minus 1 is the real part and 2 is the imaginary part. No need to write the image iota. Okay, just write the real number. Now question number 4, this is the last question of this exercise. Find value of y if x plus iota y plus 1 equals to 4 minus 3 iota. My dear student, first of all we will change the value in this form, write the question in the form of the a plus b iota. So we will write a x plus iota y or y iota here. We will we will take the inverse of minus 1 on both sides. It will become 4 minus 1 minus 3 iota. 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Now the question is x plus y iota and 3 minus 3 iota. So we will compare the real part with the real part and the imaginary part with the imaginary part of that equation. So according to this, the real part in left hand side is x and the right hand side is 3. So value of x is equals to 3. And when we will compare the imaginary part of left hand side and right hand side, then we have the value of y is equals to minus 3. So this is the answer. Dear student, this is the end of our exercise 2.5. This is very interesting exercise. I hope so that you will enjoy it a lot.